Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. So I wanted to come to you with a little project I've been working on. And so I'm going to link this below as to where I got the tutorial. Uh, but they're little holders. They're little, what do you call them? Gift card holders. I'm going to see if I have anything. I don't know. Okay, this used to be some kind of card. Oh, here's something that's like a gift card thing. So this was like a gift card thing. And then you can put that inside. You could probably put chocolate in there too. And then that's it. So what the what do you call it? Tutorial. She did this, she did the top and the bottom here with some kind of die, but I didn't have those dies, so I used my I used my 2-inch whale punch. This one's from, it says Paper Shapers. Forgot who, EK Success. That's from that one. And then I used a 2-inch round for this one, and it's like this. It's also EK Success, but it's the newer flat ones. So I used that, and then I cut them in half, and then I did the this takes a 6x6 piece of paper, and I used two different packs from Echo Park. I used this one, Gingerbread Christmas, and I used this one, Winter Magic. So these are really pretty, and we'll look through the pad in a minute. But this is what I did, and then I put a glue to brad on there. And then I had some trim ribbon that I used. And then I did these little tiny coffee cups that you can see here. Coffee cups. The stamps are from, um, let me see. I'm sorry. I got them right here. And I want to tell you guys a story in a second. It came from that right there, and this is Christmas cheer. Now I buy these on sale when Echo Park has a sale. They're $4, so that's a great sale. So I picked them up, and I made these coffee cups here. Then I punched a little 1/8 of an inch hole right there, and used some stickles for the whipped cream part, and it just turned out really cute. And then stamped a little snowflake, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. But anyway, I did this, and you guys, these fold flat. I mean, they open flat. So if you made several, you could just put them somewhere flat, and then when you get ready to use them, just push them up. And I use these little, if you guys remember, Sheila gave me a bunch of, from Country Girl First Crafts, she gave me a bunch of, what are these, like Velcro closure things. So I cut this one in half. I did glue on this side, use my fabric tack under this one. So it'll be nice, and when it pulls apart, it'll stay. So it turned out really cute. And I used this twine, this baker's twine. You guys, this stuff is the best deal at the Dollar Tree. And I think I have 2 or 3 rolls of this in red, and they're big, and they are the best price at the Dollar Tree. You guys should pick them up if you guys do Christmas, like little tags and things. So anyway, did that, and I made several of these. I did color them with pencil, and then did the water on them. They got like little cinnamon sticks and candy canes and stuff. Really cute. So there's that one, and I love the way it turned out. And I used my little line, my little gel pen to do the dash line. So there's that. And I took the backs off, the prongs off of the brad for that. So there's that one. And then there's another one in blue that I did with the little Jemmy. And it's super cute too. And I did a little white, like a white edge distress on this one. And this was like the first one I did, so I had done a full closure, but it doesn't need it. I mean, you know, really doesn't. So it just, but I thought it would be cute with that little cup of hot chocolate. And there's that. And then here's another one. And this paper, okay, so this paper came from Echo Park as well. And this one's called Gingerbread Christmas. Okay, so that's where I got this paper from. And then I had the brad, and I popped off the prongs and glued it on, and just did like red grosgrain ribbon, and did half of one of those little closures. That's more than enough for like a gift card. Easy to open and super duper cute. So there's that one. And then here's this last one. I had like this Santa. It's kind of yellowed, but it really goes with those little cookies here. You know, like gingerbread type snowflake cookies. And then I had this for a long time. I'm not sure where I got this. It could have been Joann's. It could have been, I don't know. But I've had this in my stash. So there's that. And there's the inside. Like it's double-sided. Really cute. They came out really cute, all of them. And then I'm just going to use them for the gift cards. Now I'm going to, just found a new church, and I'm starting to go to church again. And although this week has been really rough, and I'm not, this morning I was awfully sick, was not doing good, but I took some medicine and some pain reliever, and I feel better today. And that's why I decided to come on, because I've been thinking about you guys. But, so I finally got around to doing some of this. I did all the little cups today. So there's that. And there's the back, the paper on the bottom. So there's that. I did those. And I also wanted to show you guys some more things that I had done. This has been a couple of weeks worth. I didn't do it all in one day. And I didn't make these boxes in one day. It took me a couple of days to do the boxes. And it took me this today to do the cups. And then I did this. Remember I told you guys I had those little chipboard pieces. And so this is what I did. This one's really cute. It's going to make a cute tag. It says appreciate the simple little things. And she's got a little frog there, and that's cute. Just little cut aparts from magazines and stuff. Really cute. And then I made these guys. Aren't they adorable? This is a die from Temu. And it's just a really cute die. It's 3 1/4 by 3 inches across, and they're just really cute. And I just really like the way they came out. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. I don't know if they're going to be tags on a card. I'm just not sure. But they turned out really cute. And I got to glue that guy's nose flat up there. But anyway, they turned out really cute. I like the die, and it's a Temu die. Okay. So there's that. There's another one of those little cups. Let me see. Oh, so let's go through some of these paper pads. This is such a cute paper pad. I don't think they have it right now. Or these, when I get them on sale, they're $4, I think. Three, maybe 3. I don't know. $3 or $4. Anyway, so it's really beautiful paper. It's super cute. And it is double-sided. So it has all kinds of prettiness on both sides. This one's really cute. I am going to be making my sister something. I think I'm going to do one for each of my sisters, as I'm going to do something with the whole book, and I'll show you guys when I do that. Now, I'm following somebody else's tutorials for the projects I'm making, so I will always link that below so that you guys see, you know, you can go there, and if you guys want to play along, you guys can do that too. Look at these. This is so cute. Now these, I had this kit in a big kit, and I ended up cutting individually by hand all these little snow globes, and then I did glossy accents on them, so I have them as an embellishment somewhere. Anyway, this is a really pretty one with the little skates, and just all the paper is just really pretty in this one. I love the cut aparts. It's just beautiful paper. Look at that, little snow angels. So, I love all the cut aparts, and then it repeats. but it's great paper, and I really like it. So anyway, so let me tell you guys a little story about these. When you guys buy these, I would suggest that you check them right away. I bought these in September, around the 7th. And then I went to stamp. I wanted to stamp. Let me open this so I can show you this. I can't open it. Where's the opening? Oh, there it is. Okay. So I went to go stamp it because I wanted to do that little cocoa cup. That little cup. I wanted to do this hangy thing. And I said, this is a perfect stamp for that because it's got that cute little cup right there, and I'll make it into a tag. Well, and you guys, look at this stamp. Look at her. She's so adorable. This is a really nice stamp set. And for $4. It's just good. It's a 4x6 stamp set. Well, I pull off this guy, okay? I pull him off, and I go to stamp him. Maybe I got a piece of paper here. I can stamp something. Yeah, well, I guess I can do it on this. This is actually has glue dots I made. But I want to show you guys how it stamps. So we'll stamp real quick so you can see the problem. Okay, here's my VersaFine Clair. And I'm going to ink up my little cup. Okay, it's inked up. And let me stamp it. So I'm going to stamp it here. Okay, do you guys see the problem? There's the problem. So let me close this so I don't get my ink, my elbow in here. But here's the problem, you guys. It is missing. And I don't know if I can show this to you correctly. If you can see from the side here. Here, let me pick it up. If you can see from the side here, or maybe I'll do it this way. It's dented in right here. See how it's dented in? So it like melted or something. Like it didn't get stamped correctly at the place where they made it. So I ended up calling over there at Echo Park. I gave them a call and I asked them if I could just get this one stamp replaced. Well, here's the problem. It's been over 30 days and they have a 30-day policy. And that's their policy. So I didn't know, and I hadn't checked them. So you guys, when you get your stamps, just open them, open them up. I mean, this is rare for them. They have beautiful stamps, and they stamp really lovely. But I would take my stamps and just kind of inspect them. When they come in, if I had done that, I would have been able to get a brand new set. But here's the thing with them. They're very good over there. And they did end up giving me a credit. I wanted to buy another set. And now they're $12. They're no longer $4. So I said, that's okay. I'll wait till the next. They did give me a credit. They did not give me any, to me, that's like getting money back. So I'm fine with it. I'm going to wait till the next, oh darn, I'm ripping it. I'm going to wait till the next sale. I don't know when that is. And I asked my daughter if she wanted this set, even though there's this one problem. And she said it was fine. So I will do that. And see, the thing is, what you can do with this anyway, it doesn't really, I just didn't want to do this every time. But what I did before or earlier was I just took my pen and I just connected from here to here. And that's it. But I didn't want to do that every time I stamped. So that's why I contacted them. And I will be getting that stamp again. So that's what I was going to use. But then I went and looked at what other stamps I bought. And by the way, I'm such a sucker. I bought more stuff. But they'll come soon and I can share them with you guys, what I bought. This one is called Christmas Cheer. And this is a really pretty set too. And again, what's up here? If I can get in there. Okay. Come on. There we go. this is the one I used. Okay, so I used this one to color and make that. So I colored it in. I started to color it in like a Sharpie, but I don't know. I'm not sure. This is with pencil, watercolor. I'm looking for pens like this, like marking pens. I cannot afford those real fancy pens, but I want them to be blendable and I want them to have pastels. So I don't know what pens, like alcohol markers, I could get that have all that. So if you guys use some that are affordable, let me know. Okay, so here's this set from Christmas cheer, because it's got happy holidays. This is the one I wanted to stamp on the Christmas cards. So this is so cute. Really love it. Lots of snowflakes, and then this one with the holly, and it's just super duper cute. So anyway, that's my story. That's what's going on. And I'm super tired today. I know you guys can hear it in my voice. And it's just, I needed to come on because I missed you guys. And I wanted to share my goodies. I don't know if I'm going to make any more of these, but the tutorial is going to be linked below. So if you guys want to go and see, you know, how to make these cute little purses. They're so cute. And they were quick and easy. And you only use one 6x6, okay? And then the other stuff is just scraps. So you could make a whole bunch of these and then lie them flat and, you know, put them in where your Christmas stuff is. And then you'll be ready for Christmas. I mean, you could do that throughout the year and do that. And you could make these also not Christmas. You could just make them for a birthday, whatever you want. Just make them for anything, Mother's Day, whatever. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you're all having a good week, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.